How fast I just ran a 5K. I'm dying. I'm gonna be hungry. So I figured I would share with you guys kind of my, like, one of my recipes that I do. This is actually really not much of a recipe, but anything that helps, guys. So I'm gonna share this with you guys. So far as ingredients go, you need cooking spray. You need eggs. You need cheese. You need mushrooms, and you need turkey. Of course, all of this is optional. You don't have to do all that junk, but you want stuff. So let's get at it, okay? So you're gonna want a bowl. Shoot. Also, you want a fork. Jeez, Joey. Okay. All right. So quick, you just. Boom. Egg cracked. Another one. Boom. Make sure you don't got any giblets or shit like that. You know, your egg shit in there. Sorry, guys. Throwing shit away. Making music while I do so. Just take a fork. Oh, shit. Yeah. Okay, here. This is the most important. With that, I would say a 6 or 7. Okay. Preheat. Stir, 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 stir like a motherfucker. Stir, stir, stir like a motherfucker. Okay, anyways. Boom. Cooking spray, right? So this is a little dirty. My wife ate some eggs in here. I don't really give a shit, but you probably want a clean pan. Just saying, okay? All right, that's all nice and stirred up. Ha-cha. All right. Take that fork, chuck that bitch in the dishes. Okay. You're gonna do this. You're just gonna boosh. Okay, nice fill right there. You want a nice fill. The reason why I use cooking spray and not olive oil is because, like, it's fucking weird. Okay, you all right? Another thing you're gonna want is fucking toast, people. This is toast. Oh goodness. Okay, so my wife likes to unplug the toaster. She feels it's safe. If you know any stats that it is safe, please let me know, because right now I just think it's ridiculous and frustrating. Not that, I mean, she knows my feelings on that. But anyways, yep, drop the toast, whatever. Okay, so while your omelet, you know, you could kind of do that whole thing where it's just sort of warming up right there. Oh yeah. My chat's doing jokes, okay? And then I drop cheese. I got some sharp cheddar. Usually we do like low sodium, low fat cheese. It's cheese. I don't know. So I do like a nice little base there of cheese. So you want the cheese to kind of be what sandwiches all your goodies in there and shit. Okay? Boom, we're done with the cheese. Okay? Now, next thing I like to do, so I like to grab some spinach, okay? This is really hard to do one-handed, so I'm just gonna put you guys right here. Let you look at the palm of my hand, apparently. Okay, so just take the spinach. Okay, you gotta get nice leaves. Look out for the nasty stuff. Just kind of shred it up like that. Okay, I don't like the stems. If you do, that's fine, but I don't. So, you can kind of hear the bubble of the omelet already, which is good news. I like to get a good layer of spinach in there because spinach actually cooks down pretty well. So, right, you can see here. Whoa! Spinning for everybody. All right, we got a nice, it's half layer. You want everything on the half layer, okay? Okay, then we're going to take mushrooms. Boom. Another half layer. Ah! Okay, and then we got some turkey, right? Get back to shredding. It's really up to you how much. Fuck. This is my base that I'm using, which is like, I think just some onion powder or something. It's really up to you how much turkey you want to put in there. Sometimes you can maybe grab a little too much as well, like me. Okay? All you gotta do, guys, eat the rest. Okay? Get that protein. Recycle. Remember to put shit away. Toast is done. And yes, I'm about to be a little hipster on you. Avocado, okay? I just take a butter knife, cut it in a nice circle. Okay, we're gonna look in the middle because this avocado, ooh, perfect. Actually, that's been in the fridge for a while, so you never know with an avocado. Like one day you're gonna open it and it's gonna just be pure black and you had it for like a week. Or you could have it for like 2 months and that thing's just barely getting green. It's weird. Okay, so what I like to do with my avocado, I like to place half on the toast. By the way, the omelet is coming along real nice. Here's what we're going to do. I like a nice plastic spatula. My wife hit it on me. Actually, I hit it on myself, but I'm going to blame her today. Oh, what are we doing? We're trying to go on the other side, and we just boop. Okay, we're going to let that cook a little bit longer, and then we're going to flip it. That way we get the nice thing. But anyways, I just kind of chop the avocado a little bit, and it spreads real nice, actually. I'll show you in a second. I need my second hand for the spreading, y'alls. So I'm just gonna kind of, we kind of keep chopping, and then you just, Oh, hey Nate, how's it going? So, get that, and you get like a nice layer, yeah. Do that again, you just pop the seed. Now there are people that say you can save the seed, like grind it up and put it in other shit. I'm not doing that today. I'm not in the mood. I am in no mood. Oh yeah. All right, second, chop, 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 chop. So yeah, today, avocado toast with a nice omelet, like a spinach omelet. So we got a good old spread. It's never gonna look perfect, but it's always gonna look pretty good. It's avocado. If you like avocado, it's good. I breathed it in. Alright. And this omelet's actually looking pretty solid. You can see. So we're just going to toss it right on there. Shit. Okay, we're having some, we want all the bits. Especially mushrooms and shit. There we go. So just don't mind me. Boom, throw that bitch in the sink. Okay, and there you go. We got a mushroom, spinach, cheese, and turkey omelet with some avocado toast. So normally when I start in the morning, I cook up like an oatmeal. I just do like a packet of oatmeal. Throw a little... So I've got some apple cider vinegar with mother stuff. And I thought that would be hard to like incorporate into things. It's actually so good. So this stuff has, you can see it's got cinnamon, lemon, and honey as well. And it just, it's really good. It's really sweet. So I highly recommend that apple cider vinegar with mother. It's like detox, blah, 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 blah. It's supposed to be really good for you. So I throw a little bit of that in my oatmeal, stir that up, eat that before I run. And then this is what I eat after I run to kind of help carry me through to lunch. So yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks for checking out this video. I know it's short and simple, but thought I would throw it out there. You guys have a great day. Bye.